Hey there, look who's sleeping in my arms. This is my son Jacob, who has had trouble staying asleep since birth. Your presentation has been such a blessing to our family and has literally rescued me from the slippery slope of depression. Your step-by-step advice is well-researched, nurturing, and amazingly effective. After using your routine, Jacob was sleeping in 30 minutes. We were in complete shock, and my husband even asked me what we should do now that we have our lives back. I don't know how I can ever thank you enough.
If your baby doesn't sleep through the night, you have to try Baby Sleep Miracle. Baby Sleep Miracle is a holistic system to regulate your little one's sleeping patterns the natural way. My little Jamie here didn't sleep through a single night, and look at her now. And the beauty of this program is it works for newborns and toddlers up to 5 years of age and for all of the 9 most common sleep types. It's completely safe because unlike dangerous alternatives like Ferberizing, it was developed by a child psychologist and it's backed by data of the Harvard Medical School and the Center for Sleep Science of Stanford University. The program comes complete with audio files, which means you can decide which of the techniques will work best for you, especially if you tried everything before, like the $100 sleep consultation I got. You will appreciate how simple and practical it is to use. Why don't you click on the link below and let Mary Ann Schuler, the creator of the program, tell you more. I'm sure you will like the results as much as I do.